You want to get it? It's so nice and Justin, Katie. I don't know what you want.
No, Justin. He wants you.
Make it down. Come here, Bob.
Next year she won't be this way. She'd be ripping the stuff apart.
I don't know. Dad, open it up. Open up. What's in there? What's in there? Maybe there's chalk in there. You better look. You better look. Looky.
I'll be okay if it's more chalk.
Oh. Throw on me.
I went over here.
Mostly out in my house.
Damn stink
I
bug.
was debating about this.
Yeah.
Debating about talking.
Let me talk to her. Hey, Bug. Hey, Bug. It's your birthday, Diva.
This automatic bubble blower.
She has big old tears.
And I forget.
Oh, wow. Looky, jewelry.
You like that.
Necklaces, Katie.
I didn't get any of you.
Oh, that's a good thing. You might break your camera. It makes noise too if you press the button.
James, stop.
Oh, that'll go good with her vanity. Do you see her vanity?
There you go.
It's like, as a big star.
Yeah, well, if you press the button, it makes noise and lights up.
I want you to open it.
Open the,
Press the button.
It
It makes noise, baby. Here, give me the other one.
Here.
This one's from
Roger, let me have
Grammy.
your
Katie,
knife.
look, you have another one.
Katie.
No, the knife.
Oh, well. Katie, I was going to do it, so alright. Hey, Katie, looky, there's more.
Now you want back.
Oh, baby. Oh, boy. Baby. You want to share with your cousin. You want to give the baby to the baby.
Katie. Katie. Katie.
Ooh, what's that bug? It's an owl.
There's one more thing in there.
Uh-oh. Look, Bug. What is it?
I'll give it back to you later, Brian.
Bob, Katie. Katie.
At least she likes shoes now. I remember last year she didn't want shoes on.
Oh, I know. But last year, she didn't walk until the day after. Yeah. Wow, look at that bug. What's that? Thank you.
She just keeps pressing the button.
Go ahead, Katie. Open your other little
Here,
pack.
open these.
There's another one here too. That's another one for me.
Katie. Open them up. Turn it on. They don't do any better yet.
Katie does stuff and she's too.
I didn't think it was all rainy.
The hell was that? She's putting
Right
it
when I
in the
went to
bag.
the picture.
Open it, Katie. Open it, baby. Open it. Open it, baby. Here, Mommy will get it out.
Can you look at
Open it.
videos on
Look, Bug, right here.
No,
Look,
not on my
Bug, there's something in
phone.
there. Hey, baby.
I'm gonna upload them on Facebook.
I mean, I'll try, but I don't think I've ever
Katie,
tried
open it.
What?
Get
looking up
it.
videos. Most of the time, I just look at the pictures.
I'll put everything in here.
When I see you put them, I'll try looking.
Oh, okay.
Oh, well, I'll pick it out later.
Wait, those are my
That's hard.
You got it now.
Yeah, Belle and...
Aww.
Oh, look at that.
You got babies.
Oh, wow.
That would have been awesome.
Katie.
Well, we know she's getting
Katie.
shout out.
Hey! Justin! Hey! I didn't
She really likes that.
Holding it and she's
Katie, see what's in your other bag.
Yeah, we're dog.
Katie. See what's in your other bag, baby.
Just kind of
Other 2 bags you mean?
It said bag.
Sorry, I'm not in the mood.
Thank you.
She's giving the paper back to Grammy.
No, she handed it to me. Thank you.
Okay, great Aunt Sue then.
Oh, look how pretty.
Oh,
Thank you.
those are pretty.
Is that everything?
No, there's still another bag down there.
Yeah, that's all that's in that bag.
That's the last bag, I think. Huh? Oh, yeah.
You want me to start getting your thing out, honey?
Here. Nay.
Babe.
Nay.
You want me to start getting
Nay.
yours out?
Yeah. Renee.
You need help, Roger?
Huh?
You need help?
Oh, I got plenty of help.
She already opened
Damn! Don't even have to ask, they follow.
Nay. Nay. She already opened up.
Make sure you get the hair things out of my bag.
I'll just get the bag.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look how pretty.
Can I see? Show her.
There's still some in the bag.
Okay, I'll just drop it on the floor. Aw. Well, matches the dress then, too.
Yeah, that's why I got it. As soon as I seen her, I said, aw, she's gonna love this.
Did you buy that? Aw.
You done? No?
Katie, what do you got there? What you got, Katie? Katie, show
Lollipop.
Katie.
Because she likes,
You hooked the battery up in the
Hey, Katie.
she likes lollipops.
Katie. Look in here. Look at
She want a lollipop now.
Mommy, I want one of my lollipops.
You know, I always give Bug candy when she comes to my house. She leaves my house always
got one
with
open
a
for you.
baggie full of something.
And covers.
Yeah, well, when she goes to the home, don't she always want something?
Katie.
So she don't get a chance for it.
Oh, really?
Okay, here, you want to open the rest
Somebody go in and start buying.
You want to open the rest of it? Here. She better not get burned. Right?
Mama
like just
just
yesterday, I
don't
was
wait
holding your
till
leg.
it starts.
Oh, that's cute.
Coming out of high school. Just coming out my last week of high school. 2 days after baby. Yeah, that's where I get straight after school.
No, you gotta look at these boots I got her. I love them. They look like little diva boots.
2 hours.
Danae, show them the boots. I love the boots.
She's like, hold on, she didn't get to him yet. Sheesh.
Look at those.
Aww.
Little big,
I
aren't
would
you?
have been. I would have been.
Well, winter ain't until what
By the time
day?
winter gets here, she might be able to wear them.
That's right. You can't buy them to fit her now.
Yeah.
For boo boos.
It was expensive. You can see the house.
All little girls need a hula hoop.
Do you want me to put